Today at FoneFunShop we are showing you the magnetic bumper case for the iPhone and Samsung phones. Let's have a look inside. So, the sides are made of metal. Plenty of sound space for your sound bars at the bottom and your charging port, and your cameras at the back. This one is for the iPhone XR. I'm going to be demonstrating with my phone here. Open it up like so. As you can see, it does have magnets around the rim of the case, and it does so for the other side as well, the front part. Simply put your phone in, like so, and put the top on. There you have 360 bumper protection for the iPhone XR. These are available at www.FoneFunShop.com. Thanks for watching.